A 3-bedroom, 3-level semi-detached home situated within the prestigious Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood of Toronto. Welcome to 64 Crossover Street. Both the front and backyards of this brick home have been landscaped with stone, and through the covered front entrance is 2,200 square feet of above-grade designer-enhanced living space, the main level having 9-foot ceilings and exuding modern elegance with entertaining in mind. Finished with stone tiles, the foyer's half wall has storage cubbies and an accent column and separates it from the stunning formal living and dining rooms. Here, a contemporary farmhouse chandelier, pot lighting, and a glass globe light in the foyer complement the natural light streaming through a south-facing window, and the rich oak hardwood flooring is continued into the kitchen. The dining room showcases a built-in bench seat with a recessed tuft wall panel, the panel surrounded by wood-framed mirrors and having the added ambient brightness of sconce and accent pot lighting. The deep, rich wall color complements the gorgeous textured wallpaper that is seen in the living room and along the length of the west wall from the foyer to the wet bar. With a modern design that is also practical and functional, the bar features dark cabinetry with accent lighting and a central vacuum toe kick, a quartz counter, as well as a stainless steel wine fridge and sink. Natural light through north-facing windows in the kitchen and its breakfast nook give this room a lovely, airy feel, pot lights adding brightness when needed. Enjoying the coziness of a gas fireplace, wooden cabinetry and hardwood flooring also bring an aura of warmth to the kitchen, which additionally features a stone-tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, oven with gas cooktop, 2-drawer French door fridge, and built-in microwave and dishwasher, as well as a wall of California closet cabinetry that offers phenomenal storage. The walkout opens to the backyard, which is very private, has a lovely patio area, and provides access to a detached double-car garage which is vehicle accessible via a rear lane. The main level also has a coat closet in the kitchen area, a powder room with a stone-tiled floor, a vanity with countertop basin and an upgraded vanity light, and a staircase to the second level that is finished with hardwood treads, white risers, and a coordinating railing. The second level has cozy broadloom throughout and showcases a light-filled family room also brightened with pot lighting, with this wonderful gathering space having a nook that is ideal as a separate sitting area, off of which is a walkout onto a glass-enclosed balcony. The hallway off the landing has a linen closet, a laundry area with washer and dryer tucked behind double doors, as well as a 4-piece washroom featuring a tiled floor, a tiled bath area, and an upgraded vanity light. With the hall leading to a graciously sized bedroom that has ample closet storage, an upgraded light fixture, and California shutters on its south-facing windows. The carpeted staircase to the third level has an oak hardwood railing, this level also featuring broadloom throughout, and 2 bedrooms, both with ensuite washrooms. The second bedroom has an upgraded flush mount light fixture. This light, and all similar ones throughout the home that were newly installed, able to emit either warm or bright natural light by flicking the switches on and off. Bright, yet cozy, this bedroom features a vaulted ceiling above its nook and a south-facing window with a California shutter, a walk-in closet, and a 3-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a vanity with countertop basin, and a shower area with glass door and rainfall shower head. The master suite at the north end of the hall also has a walk-in closet. With this bright yet relaxing personal space also showcasing a walkout onto a glass enclosed balcony. And its ensuite washroom showcasing a vanity with an upgraded light fixture, tiled finishes, a soaker tub, a window with privacy shades, and a shower area with glass door, as well as rainfall and handheld shower heads. Located in a neighborhood surrounded by a wealth of amenities, TTC service, Bob Acton Park, and the Ted Reeve Community Arena with its outdoor athletic fields and playground are a short walk away, as are grocery stores, as well as a wide variety of specialty shops and chain retailers, banking and professional services, medical and fitness facilities, restaurants, and entertainment venues along Danforth Avenue. The Owens Corning partially finished lower level features a huge functional storage room with additional storage under the stairs, as well as a nicely sized recreation area that has the coziness of broadloom and the added brightness of pot lighting. Walking distance to Kimberley Junior Public School and Malvern Collegiate Institute, as well as the Danforth GO and the Main Street subway stations. The vibrant beach neighborhood is also minutes away, and it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect to the Gardner Expressway and Highway 401 for commuting throughout the GTA.